Alright guys, so Claude just launched Skills, which are basically reusable modules that let you teach you how to think, write, or act a certain way. So this is going to be a complete guide where we cover what skills are, how to build them, how you could chain them, and how you could use them to streamline real businesses. Alright, so basically what skills do and how they work is, so in short, you would give Claude your skill as a prompt, and then from then on, whenever you chat relating to that skill, it'll have your saved rules, examples, and data, and then it'll fuse that with whatever input you give it, and you're going to get an output based on that skill. Okay, so each skill is basically like a small instruction package. Ideally, you want to give it a name, description, instructions, examples, and if you have any, throw in some extra resources. But next I'm going to build one real quick just so I can show you how it works. Alright, so I have Claude open here, and in this case I want to build a skill that's going to grab the latest AI news and write tweets for me automatically. So before anything, you want to go over to the bottom left here and press settings. Then you want to go over to capabilities, scroll down, and make sure you turn on skills. So you're just going to take file input. So next we're just going to write up a quick markdown file. So in their example skill, they have metadata, overview, brand colors, typography, logo usage, when to apply, and resources. So I have our notepad here. I'm going to start off with
metadata, overview, output format, style rules. I'll also put an example in there.
Alright, so for metadata, I'll name our skill AI News Tweet Writer. I'll give it a brief description. I'll give it a version as well. And for the overview, you just want to go a bit more deep into your explanation. So I'll say this skill transforms AI, recent AI news articles or press releases to clear tweet length, summaries suitable for social media. It's designed for creators, analysts, and brands who want to share AI updates quickly without clickbait or hype. Claude should apply these rules whenever it has to summarize or generate tweet style commentary about new AI developments. Alright, now for output format, I'll keep it simple. I'll say maximum length 280 characters, optional emojis if the tone allows it. And we'll just stop right there. Now for style rules, I'll say use active authoritative tone. Avoid exaggeration / false claims. Do not repeat headlines. Give insight, for example, what this means for AI. I'll say keep a neutral / confident tone. Now for the example, I have a recent AI news tweet here, so I'll just copy that. So I'm just going to write down input. I'll say find me recent AI news to tweet about. And for output, I'll just throw the tweet in there. Alright, so just some quick changes I had to make. I had to add these 3 dashes on the top and bottom. I had to throw in metadata and the license as well, and I also had to remove the markdown header. But we were able to get it uploaded, and I'm just going to show you guys it in action. Alright, so we have our new chat here, so I'm just going to say find me recent AI news to tweet about. I'm just going to narrow it down even more. If I didn't want to write this again, I could have just added it to the prompt. But I'm going to say pick one tweet and use the limit properly and detach the source at the end. So yeah, we got our ideal tweet output, and that pretty much sums up Claude Skills. It's pretty straightforward, and if you prefer Claude over ChatGPT, this is really useful. But yeah, that's about it for this tutorial. If you liked it, feel free to subscribe. I'll be dropping many more tutorials every week. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.